morning, Pradeep.
Good morning, sir.
Pradeep, introduce yourself.
First of all, good morning, sir. As you know, my name is T. Pradeep Reddy. I am from Amangal, Rangareddy district. Currently, I am staying in Hyderabad. Recently, I qualified. Recently, I completed my qualification MCA in Aurora PG College from computer science, computer application. As in my academics, I done a project based on project. Project title is revenue recovery system. Apart from my qualification, I am good at core Java. That's it.
Okay. What are your technical skills?
Core Java.
So Java is object-oriented programming
Yes, sir.
language. What is meant by object-oriented?
It follows 4 features, sir. Abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. So it is called object-oriented programming language.
Is Java 100% object-oriented?
Yes, sir.
We have primitive data types.
Primitive.
Is Java 100% object-oriented?
It follows not, sir, because it not accepts multiple inheritance, sir.
Java is not 100% object-oriented because in Java we have the concept of primitive data types.
Primitive data type.
Primitive data types. So Java is not 100% object-oriented, but it is object-oriented.
Okay.
What is abstraction?
It abstraction is a concept. It hiding the background details and showing essential details, sir.
How do you achieve this abstraction?
By using interface, sir. Abstract class and interface.
What is encapsulation?
Encapsulation is a combination of data and code in a single unit, sir. Main use of code security, sir.
What is inheritance?
Inheritance. It is inheritance. It acquires the properties of one class to another class.
Okay, acquires the properties.
One class to another class.
What is class variable and local variable?
Class variable is represents inside the class, sir. Declared inside the class. Local variable is outside the class, inside the method, sir. It declares inside variable declares inside outside the class, inside the method.
Inside the class, inside the method is local variable.
Inside the class.
Inside the method.
Inside the local variable. Class is inside the class.
Yes, inside the class. Why do we use this keyword?
This keyword, if we use this is the class variable and local variable are same variables, sir. So we use this keyword for refer the current variables.
This keyword is used for referring current
Current
class
object.
object.
Yes.
Okay. Why do we use super keyword?
Super keyword is used to immediate parent class.
To represent immediate.
Immediate parent class.
What is a constructor?
Constructor is a initialization of object. It does not have a body. It have same class name as same class name.
What is the difference between a constructor and a method?
Constructor and method. Sorry, sir.
Methods have return types. Constructors does not have
return types.
Okay. That is the main difference.
Okay, sir.
What is method overloading?
Method overloading, method overload. One or two methods having same name but different parameters. It is called method overloading.
Okay. What is method overriding?
Method overriding is redefining the functionality of a parent class from child class.
So what is static keyword?
Static keyword is mainly used for memory management, sir.
Memory management. Yes. What is the package?
Package a Java that package.
It is a group of classes. And
Group of classes and interfaces. Subclass is inside the package. It performs inside the package, sir.
Package inside
Another package is called a sub-package.
Okay. Java.util.
Lang.
Which is the default package?
Java.lang. Lang is the default package.
So can you give me some examples of Java.long package classes?
our own names are
User defined.
user defined
System, string, what are all? What is the system?
system. Okay.
It is also one predefined class.
Predefined
What
class.
is string? It is also one predefined class.
Predefined class.
Where are all these are present?
Java.lang package.
Java.lang package. We didn't import any package file.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Okay. What is an exception?
Exception is an unexpected or unwanted situation in the applications is called exception.
Why do we need to handle the exceptions?
Why do we need to
Why do we need to handle exceptions?
okay, to give useful information to the user, to need the normal flow of exception. Yes.
To continue the normal flow.
To continue the normal flow of this exception.
So how do you handle these exceptions?
By using try and catch blocker we use.
Okay. Explain about exception class.
Exception, our own class.
Exception class.
Exception class. Exception.
What is array index out of bounds exception?
It is unchecked exception programs.
What is array index? When do we get this array index out of bounds exception?
Array out of bound.
When you give the index value more than present.
present. If you give index as 5, if we present 6, it will give you array out of bound exception.
So what is exception class? There are many classes. Array index out of bounds exception. It is one predefined class.
Predefined class.
Null pointer exception, predefined class.
Class.
SQL exception, one predefined class. So there are number of classes.
Yes, sir.
Those are all predefined. A parent class for this all these classes is exception class.
Okay.
Okay. Where are all these classes present? These are all present in which package?
Java.lang package.
Java.lang package. In exception handling, we didn't import any package.
Import, sir.
Okay. What is multi-threading?
Multi-threading is used for it executes in sequential, sir.
Execute several threads
Simultaneous.
Explain about final keyword.
Final keyword is used to classes, variables, and methods, sir. If we variables, methods, classes, variables, method. If we use variables, we cannot change the value. If we use final keyword for method, we cannot override the method. If we use final keyword for class, we cannot inheritance the.
Can you use final keyword for a constructor?
No, sir.
Why?
Final constructor should be name should be same as class name, sir. So we cannot use final keyword.
Constructor is by default final.
Yes, sir.
So that's the reason we need not use it. Okay.
By default static and finals.
Yeah. What is array list?
Array list. It allows duplicate elements and allows pre-selection order, sir.
Reserves insertion.
Preserves insertion.
What is the difference between array list and vector?
Array list and vector. In array list there is no legacy class. In vector there is legacy classes. In array list performance is high. In vector is performance is low, sir. Insertion and deletion is very less in array list, costly in vector.
In both it is same. Main difference is performance and
Legacy class.
and synchronization.
Okay. In array list it is a non-synchronization. Vector it is synchronization.
What is stack?
Stack it is mainly prefers leaf order, sir. Last in first order.
Okay. What is enumeration?
Enumeration it is a legacy class and it is it allows only legacy class. It allows only
Reading the data, retrieving the data,
retrieving the data.
addition of.
It is a unidirection, sir.
Only used for legacy classes.
Legacy classes.
Okay, Pradeep, good.
Okay, sir.
So you need to focus more on few concepts like multi-threading
Multi-threading. Okay, sir.
and collections.
Collections.
Also,
Okay.
and focus more on your body also.
Okay,
So
sir.
you are moving like this side and that side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So make these things and improve your way of explanation even more better.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That's it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.